The ratio y plus x to y minus x is equivalent to k to 1. Show that y equals x brackets k plus 1 divided by k minus 1. So the fact that this ratio is equivalent to k to 1, this means that k to 1, if we multiply both sides by an unknown number, it gives us y plus x to y minus x. Now because of this, this means that k divided by 1 will be equal to y plus x divided by y minus x. And we'll get our first mark for writing this equation. Now what we need to do next is show what y is equal to. So we want to rearrange this equation to make y the subject. So k divided by 1 is equal to k. So the next thing we can do is we can get rid of this fraction on the right hand side of the equation by multiplying both sides by y minus x, which gives us k multiplied by y minus x is equal to y plus x. Next we can expand out these brackets. So ky minus kx equals y plus x. And now in order to solve this equation we need to get all the y's onto one side of the equation. So to do this we can add k plus x to both sides, which gives us ky is equal to y plus x plus kx. And finally we want to minus y from both sides. So ky minus y is equal to x plus kx. So as we can see, we now have two y terms on the left hand side of this equation. So what we can do is we can factorise this by taking out y. So if we divide ky by y, this gives us k, and if we divide negative y by y, this gives us minus 1. And then we can do the same on the other side of this equation. So kx divided by x gives us k, and then x divided by x gives us plus 1. And now the final thing we need to do is get y alone on one side, and we can do this by dividing by k minus 1. And this shows us that y is equal to x brackets k plus 1 divided by k minus 1. And our second mark comes from writing this equation here, and the third mark for using the correct algebraic reasoning to prove that this is correct.